Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the topic factorization, and this is the last exercise of this chapter and the last method of making the factors. And today I'm going to explain the last method, that is the splitting of the middle term. So it's a factorization of the trinomial by splitting of the middle term. So this method is not new, as you are doing this method in your previous classes also. So I'll explain this by taking one example, like x square plus 9x plus 18. So first step is you have to arrange the expression in a proper way. First the highest degree, lowest degree, and then the last constant term. So x square plus 9x plus 18, we have to multiply the constant and the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, so 18 into 1, it's 18. So we have to make the factors of 18 in such a way that we will get 9, this middle term 9. So when we will take out the LCM and we will make a factors, we can see it here how to get the 9. If we'll take 3 into 2, 6, 6 and 3, 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So splitting of the middle term, 9x, we will split it like this: x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Rest of the step is same as the previous methods, the grouping first two terms and the last two terms and taking out the common factor. So x is common, x plus x into x plus 6 plus 3 into x plus 6. So the factors are x plus 3 into x plus 6. So let's see the another example also. 3x square minus 4x minus 7. Now here we have to take out the LCM of the constant term, that is 7, into the coefficient of x square, that is 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. So we will take out the LCM of 21 and we will get the factors. Now we have got two factors only, 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So what we will do here, 3x square, now please be careful, it's minus 4x. So it will be minus 7x plus 3x minus 7. Now grouping first two and the last two. So x is common. So what is left? 3x minus 7. In the last two, what is common? Nothing is common. So 1 is a common factor of both the terms. So 1 into 3x minus 7. Now again we will see what is common. So 3x minus 7 into x plus 1. So 3x minus 7 and x plus 1 are the factors of the given expression. One more question. 10 plus 3x minus x square. Now here children, you can see that constant term has come first, then the lowest degree and then the highest. So first we will rearrange: minus x square plus 3x plus 10. Now we will make a factor of 10 into 1, coefficient of 10. So we will make a factors of 10. So minus x square plus 5x minus 2x, because 10 factor is 5 and 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3, plus 10. So in the first two terms, what is common? Here it's minus, we'll put minus out only. X is common, so minus x, in the bracket what is left? X minus 5. As I already explained in my previous video, whenever negative sign is out, the next term signs will change. So minus x into x minus 5, minus in the last two term, what is common? 2. So x minus 5. So minus x. So minus x minus 2 and x minus 5. Both are the factors. Or you can write down in this way also. This is also correct, children. Or you can write down x plus 2 into 5 minus x. So both the answers are correct. Here what they have done, they have taken out negative sign common and multiplied that negative sign with the second bracket. So either you leave your answer like this, or you can take out negative sign common. Choice is yours, but both the things are correct. Now question number 17. 3 minus x into 4 plus 7x. Again we will open the bracket. 3 minus 4x minus 7x square. So rearrange. Minus 7x minus 4x plus 3. Now we have to make the factors of 7 and 3, that is 21. So minus 7x square minus 7x plus 3x, because 7 into 3 is 21. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have split 4x like minus 7x plus 3x. Now again the first two grouping, first two and the last two. So minus 7x is common. So what is left? X plus 1. In the last two, 3 is common. So x plus 1. So the factors are x plus 1 into minus 7x plus 3. So these are the factors of the given expression. Question number 18. It's same as the previous question, only one more step you have to add. So 24x cube plus 37x square minus 5x. Now in all the three terms we can see that x is common. So x is common. So 24x square plus 37x minus 5. So here we have to make the factors of 24 into 5. 24 into 5 is 120. So we will take out the LCM of 120 and we will arrange the factors in such a way that we will get 37. So see, 5 into 2 10, 10 into 2 20, 20 into 2 40. So 40 minus 3. So this common x will remain out only. So 24x square plus 40x minus 3x minus 5. Now the first two terms will make the groups, first two terms and the last two terms. So x into, from the first two terms, what is common? 8. 8x into 3x plus 5. And in the last two, nothing is common, so minus 1. So it becomes 3x plus 5. So the factors are 3x plus 5 common. So what is left? 8x minus 1. So these are the three factors: x into 3x plus 5 into 8x minus 1. So these are the factors of the given expression. So children, these were the simplest question. Now same type of question, they will mold it in a different way. Now see question number 22. This type is very important. 5 into 3a plus b whole square plus 6 into 3a plus b minus 8. Now in this type of question, children, please don't use the identity 3a plus b whole square, means a plus b whole square, and then open the bracket. Here you can see that in first and the second term 3a plus b is same. So what we have to do, we will put 3a plus b is equals to any variable except a and b, because a and b is already in the equation. So 3a plus b is equals to x. So it becomes 5x square plus 6x minus 8. Now you can see you have got your equation is same as the previous questions that we have done in the simplest form. Okay, so again we will split the middle term by taking the factors of 5 into 8, 40. So the factors are 5x square plus 10x minus 4x minus 8. So again grouping first to last two, 5x into x plus 2 minus 4 is common, x plus 2. So 5x minus 4 into x plus 2 are the factors. But this is not the answer. Why? Because our question is in the form of a and b. So after getting the factors, you have to put the values of x. So 5 into 3a plus b minus 4 into 3a plus b plus 2. Now we will open this. We will open the bracket. So 15a plus 5b minus 4 into 3a plus b plus 2. So these are the two factors of the given expression. Now I'll explain the same type by taking one or two more equations. Question number 25th. See here, a plus 4 whole square minus 5ab minus 20b minus 6b square. So see, a plus 4 whole square. In the next two terms, what is common? Minus 5b. So what is left? A plus 4 minus 6b square. So children, you can see a plus 4 and a plus 4. Again, it has come in the first term as well as in the second term. Now this question becomes same as the previous question that I have explained. So next step is let a plus 4 is equals to x. So the given expression becomes x square minus 5bx minus 6b square. Now here in this, either you can consider b as a constant or x as a constant. Choice is yours. We have to consider only one equation in one variable. So here I am taking x as a main variable. So b is to be considered as a constant variable. Okay. Now see, we have to make the factors of 6. So in this question, children, you have to see the factors of 6 as 3 and 2 and 6 and 1 also. So which factors will give you the correct answer? So if I'll take x square minus 3bx minus 2bx minus 6b square, x is common in the first two. So what is left? X minus 3b. In the next two, what is common? Minus 2b. So what is left? X plus 3b. So here we can see, children, if we'll take 3 and 2 as a factor, we will not get any result, as the first nothing is common in both the terms. That means the factors of 6, 3 and 2 is not correct in this case. So which other pair is left? 6 and 1, because 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 minus 1 is also 5. So in this type of question, you have to be very careful when the same number will have a two different pair of factors. Okay, so x square minus 6bx plus bx minus 6b square. So we'll take the first two and the last two. So x is common. So what is left? X minus 6b. In the last two, what is common? B. So what is left? X minus 6b. Now here we can see both the terms has x minus 6b as the same factor. So x minus 6b we will take out common. So what is left? X plus b. Our question has not finished here, as we have to put the value of x. So it is a plus 4 minus 6b into a plus 4 plus b. So these two are the factors of the given expression. Now see, the next question is question number 28. A square minus 3a into a square minus 3a plus 7 plus 10. Now children, you can see the similar type of questions they have molded in a different way. So this question is also same as the previous question that we have done just now. You can see here a square minus 3a is same. So what we will do, we will put a square minus 3a is equals to x. Okay, now put it in the equation. X into x plus 7 plus 10. Open the bracket. X square plus 7x plus 10. Split the middle term. We will get the factors 5x plus 2x plus 10. Grouping of the terms. X is common. So x plus 5. Here 2 is common. X plus 5. So factors are x plus 5 and x plus 2. These are the factors. But this is not the answer. As I already told you, our question is in the form of a. So we will put the value of x here. So x value is a square minus 3a plus 5 into a square minus 3a plus 2. Again the quadratic 3 terms. So again we have to see, can the further factorization of both the factors are possible or not. If we will see 5 is a prime number, so there are no factors of the first bracket. So 3a square minus 3a plus 5 will remain as it is. Now we will move to the second factor. We can see in the second bracket we can split this middle term. So it is a square minus 2a minus a plus 2. So first bracket will remain as it is, and we will make the factors of the second bracket by grouping a into a minus 2 minus 1 a minus 2. So a square minus 3a plus 5 is the first factor, a minus 2 is the second factor, and a minus 1 is the third factor. So in this question we can see that the further factorization is also there. Okay, so while attempting this question you have to be very careful, can we make the further factors or not. So these are the factors. Now the last question for today is question number 30, that is a raised to the power 4 minus 11a square plus 10. So a raised to the power 4 minus, we have to split 11, so it's minus 10a square minus a square plus 10. So first two terms, what is common? Last two terms. Grouping. So a square minus 10 minus 1 a square minus 10. So the factors are a square minus 1 into a square minus 10. So here you can see a square minus 1, again we can make a factor because both are the perfect square. A plus 1 into a minus 1 into a square minus 10. So these are the three factors of the given expression. So children, based on today's concept, you will practice exercise 4D and we will take your doubts tomorrow in your virtual class. Thank you.